This is the only video that you need to get started with your YouTube's journey. I will show you amazing ways on how you can create outstanding faceless videos using only a single AI tool. And by the end of this tutorial, I will give you 100+ video ideas that you can start creating videos on starting right now. And the advantages are you do not need a video editor, you do not need a script writer or a voiceover artist. All you need is in this single AI tool that will do all the hard work for you. And along this video, I will also give you some bonus tips that will help you, number one, grow your YouTube channel faster, and number two, help you to make your first $100 even with 0 subscribers, and number three, how you can create multiple channels from just one single video. And all I ask in return is that you hit the like button if you find this video valuable. So to create this type of faceless videos, the first thing that we need to do is to come to ChatGPT. And once we are on ChatGPT, we can tell it to give us a list of 100 most common dogs. From there, we'll click on enter. Okay, and ChatGPT will go ahead to give us a list of 100 most common dogs. When we observe carefully, we have the first one, which is the Labrador Retriever. We've got the German Shepherd, we've got the Golden Retriever, the French Bulldog, and the Bulldog. So we have a list of 100 common dogs. And what we're going to do is we're going to create individual videos for all these different common dogs. And the way we're going to do that is we'll come to this website called ai.invideo.io. I'll leave the link in the description so that you can sign up completely for free. And once you sign up using the promo code in the description, you're going to get 50 bonus minutes that you can generate videos on and start uploading on your YouTube channel. So once we sign up, we'll find ourselves on this dashboard. And here on the dashboard, it says, give me a topic, language, and detailed instruction. So what we're going to do is we're going to paste in this prompt. I will leave this prompt in the description so that you can use it in your project as well. So the prompt says, produce an informative and visually appealing 4-minute video showcasing 10 fascinating facts about dash. So we've left this dash space so that we can fill it up with any of these common dogs that we have here. So what we're going to do is, for example, let's pick the Bulldog and we'll come back to Invideo. Then here where there is a dash, we'll replace it with the word Bulldog like that. So our prompt will now say, produce an informative and visually appealing 4-minute video showcasing 10 fascinating facts about Bulldogs. So here where we've placed Bulldogs, we can replace it with the Labrador Retriever, the German Shepherd, the Golden Retriever, or the French Bulldog, up to the 100th dog that we have. So from there, it says, use a combination of high-quality footage, illustrations, and motion graphics to cover topics like their history, their breed characteristics, grooming needs, and more. Incorporate illustrating statistics and include helpful text overlay with key takeaways. Use a clear and concise tone and add a calm background track. End with a call to action, encouraging viewers to share their favorite Bulldog facts in the comments. This is just so amazing. It's a very detailed prompt that will give us a very detailed video. From there, what we're going to do is we'll just click on this button which says create a video. So from there, it will bring us to this next page. And the next page asks us to identify the audience for our video. Is it for dog lovers, for pet owners, or animal enthusiasts? So we'll select animal enthusiasts. Then the look and the feel, it has to be bright, clean, inspirational. So we'll select inspirational, and it will ask us for the platform. Is it YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram Reels? So we'll leave it to YouTube. From there, we'll click on continue. And after that, we'll wait for it for some few minutes and it will load and give us that outstanding video that we can start uploading on our YouTube channel. So our video has finished loading. Let's play it to hear the way it sounds.
From rugged terrains to cozy couches, bulldogs have undergone a fascinating transformation. Join us as we uncover 10 fascinating facts about bulldogs, using high-quality footage and engaging graphics. Prepare to be captivated by their unique charm and discover what makes these wrinkled companions so beloved.
Okay, so this is amazing. So the next thing that you can do is you can come to this edit button. And on this edit button, you can, number one, edit the media. So let's start with the first one. So we can select that media file and we can come to where it says upload media. That's if we have our own media files, or we can come to this bar here, which is the search bar, and we can search for a specific media file that we want to use on that particular scene. Not only that, we can come to where it says edit script, and from here we can edit script. From our introduction, it said something like using high quality footage and engaging graphics. So we do not need this info, so we can delete it like that. And we can go through our text and make sure that everything is perfect. And from there, what you want to do is click on this button which says apply changes, and your changes will be applied like that. Not only that, we can also edit the music by coming to edit music. And for example, this first music style, we can click on replace and it will be replaced, and click on apply changes and the song will be replaced. So once we come back, we can play to see how everything looks.
Join us as we uncover 10 fascinating facts about bulldogs. Prepare to be captivated by their unique charm and discover what makes these wrinkled companions so beloved.
Okay, this is amazing. You can download this video by clicking on the download button and it will be saved into your video. Now, coming to our first bonus on how we can create multiple channels from one single video that can reach a wider audience. Number one, we understand to say our video has been generated in English. So what we can simply do is we can tell it to change the language of our video into a different language. So we can come to this command button here and we can paste in this prompt that says change the language to French. Then we'll click on generate, and from there we can listen to it.
Notre voyage commence en Angleterre au XIIIe siècle, où les bulldogs étaient élevés pour le combat contre.
Okay, so this is just so amazing. If you're enjoying this video so far, smash the like button. It will really mean a lot to us. From there, what you have to do is you can download it in French. So you have two videos, one for English and one for French, and you can create two different channels, one for English and the other one for French, or any other language that you prefer. From there, this takes us to bonus number 2 on how you can grow your YouTube channel even faster. To do that, we need to rank our YouTube videos for SEO. So to do this, we can simply come to Fiverr and we can hire an SEO expert. For example, just search for YouTube SEO, and there's a YouTube SEO expert that will help you optimize your YouTube video for ranking both on YouTube and on Google. There is somebody that I've worked with on a number of projects, and this is the person, Jamal. I'll leave the link to his profile in the description below so that you can get in touch and be able to contact him. And his services costs only $5, just like $5 per video. He already has 8 orders in queue as we are talking, and he has 1,200 reviews as we are currently talking, because a lot of people will be searching for this type of videos, and your videos will be found on top because they are well optimized for ranking on YouTube. Now, the other method on how we can create our videos on the same platform, let's click on create new. So once we are on this platform, what we can simply do is we can come to where it says explore all. And once we click on explore all, what we simply have to do is we can click on where it says YouTube Explainer. And once this page opens up, here it says create a. So here we can give the time of how long our video must be. And from there we can give the topic for our video. And from there we can add some relevant facts. Those are the details that we had added in the previous prompt that we used. And from there we can come to the background music. We can tell it for specific background music, and from there we can select a language which we prefer for our video. From there we can come to these settings below that says use. So we can select a male voice or a female voice or just any, and from there we can select the accent that we want. Is it an American or a Californian voice, a New Yorker accent, or anything like that. From there, you can tell it to add any subtitle. Okay, so If you're using the free version, it will come with a watermark, so you can give the name for your watermark here. So it will come as Invideo / the name of your watermark that you've chosen. And once that is done, you can click on the continue button and it will generate the video for you. Now, coming back to the third and final bonus on how we can create our first $100 with 0 subscribers is by coming to Amazon. So once you're on Amazon, you can sign up as an Amazon affiliate. So what you can simply do is you can look for products that are related to dogs. Once you type in something like dog and you hit a space, you'll get all these recommendations that people are searching for on Amazon. For example, dog treats, dog birds, dog food, dog toys. All these are products that you can put in your link descriptions. And when people click and come to Amazon, they end up purchasing the products. It's easy for people to buy products on Amazon because they trust Amazon a lot. So even if they do not know you, but as long as the link takes them to Amazon, they end up buying a product because people trust Amazon a lot and because people buy a lot of stuffs from Amazon. That's how you can create your videos, and that's how you can make your first $100 even with 0 subscribers. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel because more value awaits you. Thank you and see you in this next video.